Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TVIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways on this one to establish some context. But a very, very impressive movement on this one when you stop and think about the fact that just on Tuesday, the price was all the way down here. Now all of a sudden the price is all the way up there. Any rational person would say, yeah, that was definitely a very nice bounce. But that does bring about the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 136. Why is 136 important? And I'm not saying this level or this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say the price comes down here to 136 and then just continues on down. What would that be doing to the price at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that the price just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, because no price can go straight up. So maybe the price decides to come down here, behave in that manner, then start to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote progress, I'm defining as 136. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, main level to watch, let me squeeze this down to offer up a bit more context. There we go. Main overarching level of resistance watch moving forward. Going to be right up there at the dollar, or not $1.65, 165 area. And you can see this area has presented a big old problem the past several times the price has been around that area. So watch 165 if the price can work its way up there. But all in all, anyway, look at it. Very impressive movement today. Let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.